What's up, guys? So today we're going on the crocodile tour. We're going to be taking a boat out onto the river and watching the guy hand feed some crocodiles. Here we go. What's up? So we are here at the dock. We're about to get on. There's some horses behind me. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, found them. Yep. And we're about to hop on the boat and go play with some crocodiles.
Crocodile for more than 4 meters, they prefer something big, like a horse, like a cow.
Like this, horses over there.
Yeah.
Over here.
There is around 2,000, or 25 for the square kilometer. Not all the river contains crocodiles, just from the mountains to the mouth. So at that point, from that point to there, are going to be around 2,000.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Load that.
Yeah. What? Yeah. 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 What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, that was okay. Nothing great.
No,
it's not great.
Nah.
Like a 20.
You know, like,
Wasn't really outstanding or anything.
just a few crocodiles.
never want to do that again.
I think that's an issue. That's not good. But luckily for us,
We got a
brought
portable pump.
I think that's gonna take a while. So I didn't do very much vlogging. I was way too distracted by the crocodiles. But thank you guys for watching, and make sure you leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. Until next time.
Somebody want to touch it?
It's okay. I'll pass.
You're like, yes.
Do it. Hey!